Test it out. Wow. And it started. Oh wow.
One pull.
Yeah.
That ever happened before?
Rarely.
But
Oh wow.
that's not bad at all.
So it wasn't the oil then?
No. Well,
It was the
the
gas.
oil's black, I could tell.
Yeah, I
Wait
know
till you see
it's
how
black
bad
as
it is.
tar. Yeah, I know it's black as tar. Oh, so that's how you change it.
Yep. Just tip it on over. And
Oh, I thought it was like a drain plug for like the gas.
there's
you like
actually,
the-
as you can see, there's some gas in this oil as well.
Wait, what does that mean?
Look, you see that white stuff?
Yeah.
That's gas.
Wait, how does that get in there?
Dumped it the wrong way.
What do you mean dumped it?
There was one, you put way too much in, and two, you dumped it the wrong way, so you had put that gas side going up. So that's what got the all the gas mixed in with the oil.
So it did start. That's a good thing. Now this oil has gas mixed with it, which is bad. So we're gonna get that changed out. Pressure wash it. Oh yeah, get a new clamp and then she'll be done. But yeah. So go to if you're in the area of Lynwood, or you know within, I'm not gonna sit here and name all the cities next to Lynwood, but if you're somewhere in the area, go to Rico's Repair Service. The number is 708-248-6354. The number is 708-248-6354. Rico's Repair Service in Lynwood, Illinois. I've had this lawnmower for years now, and the only thing we've done is change the gas and put new oil on top of old oil, and he completely fixed it. He changed the air filter, changed the spark plug, cleaned out the carburetor, and now we're changing the oil. But yeah, I never thought this thing here would run again, but I guess it's a miracle, huh? Oh wow. Yeah, so, but don't forget, if you're in the area, go to Rico's Repair Service in Lynwood, Illinois. I never thought this thing here would actually be able to be fixed. But yeah.
This is how much oil you need in the man. Just 20 quarts.
That's
You
it?
guys were probably putting the whole thing in.
Yeah.
But you see where it has over there, 20?
Mm-hmm.
That's all you want in it.
Okay.
If you put any more, it's gonna be way too much.
Okay.
Just 20 ounces, not 20 quarts.
Okay.
20 ounces. Look at that gas and the oil, my man.
Yeah, that's bad.
Got a pressure washer too.
Yeah. Yeah, but like I said, if you're in the area, go to Rico's Repair Service, number 708-248-6354. And I am out. Thanks for watching.